Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be looking at will Bitcoin hold. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with me whenever the stream is done, join me on the Discord links. We'll be going on here shortly. So, how's it going, people? Thank you all for joining me tonight for an awesome stream. Sorry about not being here the last couple days. I was entertaining family, and I'm also dealing with some stuff. I might let you guys know tomorrow what's going on on my personal and other things. But yeah, I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow to hear about that. But thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much for being here, Andrew. Much appreciated, my friend. Not sure how many people are gonna tune in. I know I haven't been streaming the last couple days. My visitors left yesterday, I think. And I just been dealing with 2 days ago, and then yesterday I was dealing with some stuff. So I was dealing with some stuff. I'm still dealing with some stuff today, but tomorrow I'm gonna have more clarity, and tomorrow I might be able to disclose a little bit more what's going on, and let you guys know what's happening here with crypto and then another stuff. Right, channel's still gonna be here, but other stuff that I got going on. Thank you again for being here, part of this awesome crypto community. Let's see what's happening with the market cap again. We are outside, even if we're considered to be in. Remember, we shifted to the wicks. I say, well, if we go with the wicks, we're inside. Guess what? We're outside again. We're outside again. Outside of them bands, right? Look at this. If we go here and consider all them spots, and now just make this a little bit tighter. There we go, right the way it was. And the reason it looks shifted is because I'm on log scale, right? I drew this on linear scale. So if I undo those changes and I go out of log scale, that's going to match perfectly. So log scale skews the charts, right? So keep that into account. We are out of it again, right? So we're definitely breaking out of this channel. We were thinking about it here, and we said we're bouncing when rejecting is going to lead us down, or we're going to end up breaking down on an upsloping consolidating pattern, right? So that's what's happening. We had a hidden divergence. We tried to rally, didn't even get to the 20 and broke down. Now, on this shorter move, there is bullish divergence. There is bullish divergence strong, but I don't think it's going to do us a lot of good. If anything, we might hit the 20 moving average, and it might not be with a lot of strength, right? So, we might just, kind of nick it, because we have it against the MACD, not against the RSI, and all we're doing is basically just moving sideways. So we're going to hit it because it's going to catch up to us, and it might reject again and lead us to further sell-off, right? So that's one of the ways I'm viewing this. Now let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart and go here on the weekly. On the weekly Bitcoin, it is, what's it doing, man? Again, look at this, right? So we had our pattern that we're looking for, right? Our second leg down. We knew we were going for a potential rally before we get our third leg down. Are we going to get it? Kind of looks like we want to go for it. We don't know yet. It's not 100% sure. There's really nothing else on the technicals besides that. We had bearish divergence, moved down on that, remember? Hit 25,000, talked about it. We're going to probably reject around 25,000s. We did reject around 25,000s. Talked about holding support here and what was going to happen if we kept on rejecting that 21,000. Where do we go? 19,666, right? Support. Now we are holding support. There is really not a lot going on here. Just some bullish divergence, and it's barely there, man. Look at this. Again, barely there, right? It's going to try to hold us. And that's what we're seeing. That's why we're holding that 20. And, that bullish divergence, again, trying to do its job. It's bullish. It's strong. We should be seeing a stronger movement up, but we're not seeing it because the market feels weak, right? So we're sitting sold at 36.72. Well, let's go to that 4-hour chart. Really not a lot since I haven't been here the last couple of days, besides that moving down, which, again, we kind of were expecting already. So it's not like we were surprised or caught with our pants down or anything like that, right? So we knew this was going to go on. Now, let me see here something. Something's asking me to log in here. Oh, snaps. Well, there we go. Alrighty. There it is. There it is. All right. Let's look at this here. I just want to see this real quick. I just want to see where they're at in value. They're at 0.62. 0.62, man. They're going up again. So they're doing okay. All right. So bearish divergence moving down. Again, are we creating here anything bullish? We had bullish divergence here. We had bullish divergence here. With that, the possibility correction to the upside, right? So last time we had was bearish. That's fine. And then we were in here since the 26th or so. Let me check the calendar. So around the yeah, 26th. It was Friday. I wasn't here on Friday. We agreed that bullish divergence. That was getting us to hold, right? Trying to hold. Again, here, I don't see anything that is really bearish that we should worry about. But also, we don't have anything else that is bullish, right? So we're just consolidating. And here's going to be key. If we fell at 20 and we break 19,666, man, that could be trouble for us. That could lead us to farther sell-off, 18,000s, right? 17,000s. If we do try to hold 19,666, we're looking for better days. And maybe you try to go up above that 20 and 21 and hit that 23 again. But those are the targets that are there right now. Again, indecision, consolidating, not looking the strongest. We're going to see how things are going to keep on rolling for Bitcoin. Let's go here on the 1 hour. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. So here, nothing bullish. Bearish, high to low, positive, less positive, high to low on the RSI. So nothing here that is bearish. Now let's zoom in here, shorter in this tiny bit of moves. Are we doing anything here? Let me zoom in here. So negative momentum, less negative momentum, right? And coming down. So bullish divergence. Bullish divergence is strong within the same island. That would lead us to potential action to the upside, right? So we might see a rally coming in. And I think we're trying to see that basically on the hold, right? Because we were hitting that line again, that 19,666. And it's just trying to get us to hold. That's it. There's really not a lot going on, guys, right? Got above the 20, coming back down to it. There's really nothing bearish here for that move. Even here, I think we're better. Maybe, right? Maybe here there's some hidden divergence. That could be putting some pressure. It's hidden bearish. But I'm not sure this is what's moving it down. I just think this is just weakness in general and people being scared of where the market can go, right? So with that into account, right? With that into account the Bitcoin, let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum 1,575. Right, so let's see. Ethereum bearishness, hidden bullish, popping, hitting 1,600. All right, failed. Went to 1,465 at support, right? Trying to stay above 1,514 right now. I'm trying to climb back up again, trying to recover good, but failing a little bit. Do we have anything bullish? No, nothing bullish here. 4-hour chart, bearish divergence, down, right? Again, where we're expecting to move. Bullish divergence, just like Bitcoin here. Right, that move that Bitcoin had here in the 4-hour, we have it here as well on Ethereum. Have it here as well on Ethereum. Yeah, here again, some bearishness, strong bearish on the shorter move. There might even be some hidden bearish on the larger move, right? From back here, there is. There we go. Bearish divergence, potential fraction downside, down. Support, right? 1,514. So with that, popping a bit, that's fine. Nothing really crazy above the 20, neutral at 53 again. It's okay. It's not too bad. Nothing else bullish happening afterwards. Let's go to the 1 hour again. This is what's putting pressure on that price, preventing us from going farther up. Now we're bouncing at support 1,514, and if we do, we're trying to go for the 1,674. This divergence hidden. It's probably not going to track, but if anything, we're going to create strong bearish divergence, right? This goes higher on the price, 1,600, right? That line's going to drag longer, right? This short line here, going to drag longer, and that is going to get us to anchor to a lesser positive momentum zone, and that is going to have us create that bearish divergence strong, right? So again, with that potential for moving down, watch out for that. Watch out for that. Right? Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, right? Bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside, right? So again, might take a small climb here, not bad. Like low, positive, high to low as well. Bearish divergence back here again. It's already played, so part of the reason that we failed You know that 1,618, right? We have this on the 1 hour because we know this is a resistance here. Look at this move, man. This move. Hidden divergence here and hidden divergence here, right? So not hidden, sorry. Strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. Potential for a movement down. Guess what's happening? Getting our movement down, right? Getting our movement down. All right. Going down, going to support 1,514. From there, we're looking for a small bounce. So that's fine. Neutral at 55.27, right? That's where we're at. That's where we're at. Andrew, since you're here, no one has requested anything. I know you like ADA, so I'm going to do ADA. And then, like I said, I'm dealing with some stuff tonight and yesterday. So I'm going to be calling the stream early. But I'll be here tomorrow for Crypto and Beers. And I might be here earlier tomorrow, so I'm not sure yet. For just a chill out session, midday stream. That way at night we just all hang out and just drink beer and talk about markets. We're gonna see how things go, right? Let's go here on daily. All right, bearish. We're down, hidden bullish. Trying to get us to hold. Again, popped, came back lower. Strong bullish on this shorter move, right? Strong bullish here, man. Just like Bitcoin, right? This is just like Bitcoin. But it's failing to go higher. Right? It's failing. Now neutral at 44.28. Should be going for that 20. It looks just like Bitcoin. This is going to come down. We're going to hit it by accident, and it might get us to where we drop again to that 40-cent mark, right? 40.7. Let's go to the 4 hour. We were looking for the bearish divergence here. Guess what's happened? We still have it, right? I hope it was here. It looked like it might have been from the 1 hour. It looks like this is from the 1 hour. It could be. It could be that I just forgot to anchor it. So I'm going to send it back to the 1 hour. That's fine. No worries. Haven't had a drink in a while. All right, awesome, dude. I'm also going to have a beer tomorrow. No, it's from the 4 hour. All right. Because this is from the 4 hour. So we're looking at this here. And it's matching thing. It's here, right? So bearish divergence strong. Finally triggered, right? So our call was good. It was just a bit out of time. And the reason it was out of time is probably because we were live. So we were live here at, maybe this candle. So we're looking for this move, right? So that's why we were unable to get it spot on. But, we were looking already for that move. Bearish divergence, right? 25th. This was when we were live here. 23 hours. Some of these candles here. We were live on the 26th. But again, this is what we're looking at. Bearish divergence. Moving down. Drop now. Low. Coming in slightly lower. Right? And then negative. Less negative. Right? So bullish divergence. Strong. Potential fraction upside. It's starting to get a small pop here. Nothing else happening afterwards, just neutral at 54.37. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Again, bearish divergence back here, right? So strong bearish. And again, we weren't here to catch this one. But you guys should be getting used to seeing how these things work, right? If you're here every night, you know what we look for. Divergences, changes in trend, right? Changes in trend, breaking supports and resistances, patterns. What patterns are we looking for? Often handles, inverse head and shoulders, hand, shoulders, knees, and toes. Right? Nothing here. Some divergence here that is going to be medium bearish, and that could be part of the reason that we're starting to move down here, right? So we're going to see what's good. Someone mentioned the Bitcoin yield yearly chart is basically green, red, green, red, green, red. Oh, that was interesting. I can't see the yearly chart. Sorry, dude. But if there's any legit pictures, I wouldn't mind looking at them. Right. The most I can do, I think, is a month on this version that I have. So it's all good. It doesn't even let me do years. It just goes months range, whatever. Maybe someone charted it manually. So, yeah, we know the market's cyclical. We know there's a lot of things going on right now. We know that we can still be on a bear market for a while, and we know that we might not have bottomed out. So with all that into account, just keep things in mind that this could be going on a lot longer than we had anticipated. We already said maybe a little bit more than a year, right, for things to recover. We're going to see how things keep on going, right? And, yeah, Kelly Crab Dog, yo, what's up, dude? You can add the month time and do 12-month candles each. Yeah, I don't think I can do it in the version that I have, but I'll try. Johnny Blaze, what's up, dude? Johnny Blazing Glories. Yeah, I just let me do 1 month. Because I'm running the free version of this thing, so I could probably year to date. 1 year. Here we go, 1 year. Let's see if we can do 1 year. No, it's just 1 year data. I don't want to see that. Months. 12. Is that gonna work? I don't think it's gonna let me do it. Yeah, no, I gotta go to one other pro versions and fuck that. I'm not gonna pay for this. Sorry, guys. Part of my French. For me, this works with the free version. I don't need any more indicators. I have indicators in Trade Zero. I have indicators in other, platforms that I use. So I'm not gonna be paying for indicators on TradingView, right? So yeah. I can just go on log scale and look at this, hide the volume bands, and do quick estimation since there's data here, right, from August 2011. So let's say 2011, let's say it was red, right, because it was down. And then let's say this is January, and then you just go to December over here. So that was green, right, December. And then you go from December all the way up to the next January, all the way up to the next December, which is up here, which started red. So that's red, green, green. That's right. That's right so far. So let's go with this one. Now we have January or December. Doesn't matter. It's just December to December. That's in the red. So that's red, green, green, red, right? So that's good. And now let's go from January here. Or December. It doesn't matter. It's just about the same, right? I just need to know where the next one is. All right, so I'm going to have to catch January, actually. So January starts here. And January starts here on the high here, right? And it just goes till December here. So yes, it goes green again, right? So red, green, green, red, green. This one's obviously going to be green as well. Right? So I doubt that this one next, all right, this one started here, and it went all the way to here to green. All right, so that's red, green, green, red, green, green. All right, so that's good so far. I think this one's also going to be on the green, man. That breaks the trend, Andrew, by the way, right? That just so happens to break the trend, and it starts here, right? And it goes all the way here to December. So that's red, green, green, red, green, green, green. Now it's 3 greens. Then we go to a red. Then I can see that we probably go to a green here by January, December, right? So it goes from here again, from here to here. So that's three greens, right? So red, 2 greens, red, 3 greens, red. Then we have 1, and then we have here 2, right? And now we're starting to go down. So I'm not sure, bro. Just by looking at that, we'll see. Right, so that's about it. Should have had the fox look up when charting. He's cross-eyed. I am cross-eyed? Am I cross-eyed? Am I cross-eyed? I'm not sure. I am looking up. I'm not sure what you mean. Maybe because I was here looking at the charts here. And maybe that's why I was looking cross-eyed. Maybe. I'm not sure. I can control it. It's actually looking at my face. And that's what it's doing. It looks at my face and looks at my positioning and see if I shift it to the sides. It just follows me. So, yeah. So if I'm actually my actual screen right now that I'm projecting, I can't see my hands. But anyways, I'm going to look, and that's where my screen, right? That's where my screen is. And up here is where the chat is, right? Am I looking at any alts? Yeah. I mean, I only looked at ADA so far. VT, yeah, we can do VT, man. I was about to call it a stream. There was really not a lot going on, and like I said earlier, I'm dealing with some stuff, so this is just personal stuff I'm working through. And yeah, I took yesterday off basically after we had family visit for a while, and I just wanted to take some time to clear my head, and tomorrow I'll let you know more things of what's going on. So make sure you're tuning tomorrow. It's gonna be interesting. It's just personal stuff that's going on. All right, so bearish divergence, right? Moving down on VT. That's obvious here on the move. Really not a lot we can do about this one. This one's already an old, by the way. Right? This move is old, Addy. All right, so here again, dropping a bit, bullish divergence, strong potential for action to the upside. Not bad. We did try to go up, but here it just looks like Bitcoin to some extent, right? Had a drop, upside consolidation, had another drop, upside consolidation, just like Bitcoin, and decision, trying and failing to sustain above 2.44 cents, right? And right now, if we keep on rejecting that zone, we're going to be looking for a potential move down here, maybe 2.14. Why am I calling for that 2.14? Because, you know, that's where we come down here to, man. Look. All right, look at that line. Hit here twice, right? So it is a support that we're going to be looking for. Might not have a lot of support, but it's going to be a support that we're going to be looking for nonetheless, right? It's this one here. And here. Might have had a rejection back here and maybe a support here. Small one. You know, we're seeing it happen here again. So, all right, let's keep rolling here, man. Where are we going to go? Where are we at with regards to BET, right? Look at this. Let's fifth this one here in the short term. And we're going to find out that we are sitting at below that 786, right? No, wait, are we below? No, we're slightly above that 786. So we are trying to hold that as support, right? We're trying to hold that as support here. And that could be interesting. That could be an interesting move. Let's go shorter. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, that bullish divergence is helping us hold, right? Let's see here. Let's see here. Hang on, one way to look at it is from here to here, and then from the low. Again, still here, we're coming lower than the previous low here. I'm just going over data. I usually hate to do that, but the move is this one, right? It's from the previous island to the new island, and we have that bullish divergence strong. So with that potential for action to the upside, right? Potential for action to the upside. So again, looking for that moving up again to the 24-cent mark. Sorry, to the 2.4 cent mark, and neutral at 47.10. Let's see here. Bullish divergence strong, potential for moving up. That's what we're getting, that moving up. And there's no hidden divergence, I think. Not looking at any hidden divergence here. At least nothing bearish. We're just rejecting resistance, right? And we're going to try to get back above it. We should be strong enough to try to get back above it. Bouncing at the 20, which is fine, right? Here's off 52.66. So, yeah, that's about it here for VeChain, right? Yeah, that's about here for VeChain. So let's do Zcash. We have a couple of Zcash charts, so we're gonna look at both. Mainly because I don't remember which one has data. All right, this one seems to have some data. All right, so bullish divergence. Let me just check the other one real quick. Yeah, let's go with this one. So we're looking at our three fallen peak pattern. Remember, look at this. 1, 2, 3. I have my 1 and 3 here. Guess what's happened after three fallen peaks? Try to hold here briefly, but ultimately it just came through and it fell through, right? So again, that call, it was good for Zcash. Yay! Here it goes to not looking at charts in a long time and finding out that your latest calls were good. I mean, guys, in all honesty, there's on a day-to-day basis, there's really not a lot of changes. They just compound over time, right? You gotta wait and see. That's what swing trading is about. Even though we talked about this and then that third peak being here and the rejection happening there, 1,114, whatnot, we knew there was a chance we could have gone lower. And look at that. Lo and behold, we dropped the rest of the market. So good. Good call. Higher, more positive. Not really seeing a lot here, man. That could really come in and save us. And here, let's see. Bullish divergence here for that moving up. That's fine. Not really seeing anything bearish here. Maybe some hidden bearish from all the way over here. Is that what's at play? Is that what's making us drop here? Wow, the people in front are playing music way too loud. Sold at 38.54. Let's go to 1 hour, man. Look at this. Look at this. It's bearish divergence. Bearish divergence, potential function upside, starting to go up, heading for the 20, neutral at, sold. No, neutral at 41.49. Again, bullish divergence, potential for a movement up. Probably targeting the 20 moving average. The 20 moving average is going to be sitting at $60.62. Right now, we're at $59.03. Bearishness, nothing right now. So again, moving up could be good for us. Could be good for us. 1 hour, man. Just some bearish divergence. Some bullish divergence here, strong as well. And with that, potential for a pop, and we already got part of that pop, right? We already got part of that pop. Now I'm looking for something bearish that might try to, rain on our parade. And I think there is some hidden divergence that's going to happen from way over here and go from here to here, right? And I think that's part of the reason that we moved down here a bit to that 20 because of this hidden divergence. And we're finding support and bouncing. But if we try to go higher than the previous high, we're going to start creating strong bearish, right? Where's that strong bearish going to develop? Well, as soon as we try to go higher than this previous high here, right, we're going to be coming up higher, and we might still be coming in here lower, and with that, potential for bearish divergence strong, and with that, a potential for a movement down, right? So, guys, I'm going to have to call it a stream for tonight. Tomorrow is going to be crypto and beers. Make sure you join me here on the stream. I might have some interesting news to share with everyone. And I'm gonna have to call it a stream from tonight. There's some stuff I gotta finish figuring out, and well, I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess. Remember, all information that is provided here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just providing ideas. It's not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm an imaginary wolf. Don't take advice from me. I am a wolf. Don't take advice from figments, 3D figments of imaginations. Now, with all that said, remember, hit the like button on the sub, talk about crypto to your friends, your family, your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is So Crypto. I'm your host, The Wolf. And until then, guys, right? Until tomorrow. Crypto and BS. Ta-da.